Hi students, welcome to our maths class. So far we have seen the addition of algebraic expressions and subtraction of algebraic expressions, right? Today let us see the multiplication. Okay, multiplication of expressions. First, I will take monomials only. Multiply 8 x square y cube 6 y square 6y square z power 5 3xz square minus 5a square xy cube 7 by 3 ax cube y square minus 9xy. So let me multiply these monomials. Why did I say monomials? Single terms we have 8x square y cube, that is single term, so it is monomial. So monomial. So multiplication of monomials, so required product is equal to, we have to multiply like this, 8x square y cube into 6y square z power 5 or put brackets into 3xz square. Okay. First, what you supposed to do is, first rearrange the terms, regrouping the terms. Constants 8, 6, 3, they are constants. So write together, constants write together. Okay. Next, variables we have to regroup. X square is here, another x term is here, so one x is there. If there is no power, we will consider it as 1. Next, y cube into, here we have y square into z terms, how many we have? Z power 5 z square. Okay. Regrouping the terms. 8 6 are 48, 48 3s are 144. X to the power. Here we have 2, here we have 1. So we can add them like this. So that is called one formula. Here I will tell you, see. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. That is the law of exponents. Law of exponents. So if bases are equal, what do you call a here? Base. Here also base. If bases are equal, here base is a, here is also base a. Powers can be added. Here x, so powers can be added, 2 plus 1. Okay. Here also you see y power 3, y power 2. Bases are equal, so powers can be added, 3 plus 2. Similarly here z power 5 is there plus 2 is there. So 144, x to the power 2 plus 1 3, y to the power 3 plus 2 5, z to the power 5 plus 2 7. Is that clear? Therefore required answer is 144 x cube y to the power 5 z to the power 7. If bases are equal, powers can be added. That you have to remember. That is called law of exponents. product law. This is called product law. Okay? If bases are equal, then powers can be added. Let us see one more. Second one. Just regroup the terms and multiply. Here also we will see 5 minus 5 a square xy cube into 7 by 3 ax cube y square minus 9xy. Okay, first multiply. Now regroup the terms. Constants you write together. Minus 5 into 7 by 3 into minus 9. Together. Now a square terms we have. Here a square is there. Here one more a is there. If a power nothing is there, that we will take 1. If there is nothing. So x into here x cube power 1 is there. Oh, one more x is here. So there also you will take power 1. X cube x power 1. Okay? Into y terms you see y cube y square y. Okay? Y. Now you simplify this. Understand now? Regroup the terms here. Constants, a terms, x terms, y terms. Okay? Regrouping the terms. So 3 ones, 3 threes we can cut. So here minus into minus plus. 7 threes are 21. 21 fives are 105. Right? 21 fives. Yes, 105. Or 35 threes. Any way we can write. Here a put to the power. Bases are equal, so powers can be added. 2 plus 1. Right? X to the power. 1, 3, 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 1. Y to the power. 3, 2, 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1. Just add the powers, that's all. Nothing else. A to the power 2 plus 1 3. X to the power 3 plus 2 5. Y to the power 6. So therefore answer is 105 a cube x to the power 5 y to the power 6. Okay? That is the multiplication of monomials. Now let us see some more problems. Find the value of first one 3x cube into 5x to the power 4, 5a square into 7a to the power 7. Third one 3abc into 6ac cube. Fourth 2x square y cube into 5x cube y to the power 4. So these are also monomials here. Let me multiply them. First question 3x cube into 5x to the power 4. First, what did I tell you? We have to regroup the terms. Constant you write together. 3 into 5 into x to the power 3 into x to the power 4. Write together. 3 5s are 15 into x to the power. I just told you if bases are same we can add the power. So here 3 we have, 4 we have. So 3 plus 4 we can write. So 15 x to the power 3 plus 4 how much? 7. So therefore 3x cube into 5x to the power 4 is 15x to the power 7. So when I read you should see. Listen carefully. You should know how to read them. 5a square into 7a to the power 7. So regroup the terms here. 5 into 7 together into a square into a to the power 7 together. So 5 7 there 35. A to the power 2 plus 7 can I write? Because a bases are equal, so powers can be added. 2 plus 7. So 35 a to the power 2 plus 7 how much? 9. So therefore 5a square into 7a to the power 7 equal to 35a to the power 9. Third, 3abc into 6ac cube. Right? Now write together 3 into 6 together into a into a. Regrouping the terms. Only b single term. There is no c into c cube. C into c cube means c power 1. If there is nothing we can take 1. 6 3s are 18. A to the power 1, a to the power 1. So a to the power 1 plus 1, 2. B into c to the power 1 plus 3, 4. So therefore 3abc into 6ac cube equal to 18a square bc power 4. Understand? Fourth one I will do here. Fourth one, 2x square y cube into 5x cube y to the power 4. Now 2 into 5 write together. X square into x cube write together. Y cube into y to the power 4 write together. Regrouping the terms. 2 5s are 10. X to the power we can add the powers. As I told you here product law, a power m into a power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So 2 plus 3 we can write. Y to the power here we have 3 plus 4. So 10 x to the power 5, y to the power 7. Therefore answer is 10 x to the power 5, y to the power 7. Okay? This is the multiplication of a monomial by a monomial. Okay? Let us see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.